Nakita niyo yung faces? Yeah, go ahead and get seated. Gusto tayong konti. So, na-realize niyo yung di ba, yung the power of practice and rehearsal and all that, di ba? A few hours, wala pa tayong 3 oras, pero ang laki na nung nalinis natin sa pyesa, di ba? Konting trabaho, importante lang pag inupuan mo yung pyesa, focus ka, madali. Kasi kahit mag-practice ka ng practice, paulit-ulit, wala namang nag-improve, bali wala yung practice. So practice is very important. So, the difference between the two, you practice at home, that means inuwi mo yung pyesa, pinapractice mo sa bahay. Paulit-ulit yun. Pero kailangan, every time na uulitin mo yung pyesa or yung linya, to be slow, pag mahirap, merong improvement. Kasi paulit man, tapos walang improvement, bali wala rin. So yun ang practice. So we practice at home, and then we go to our rehearsal with our bands para to put together the ensemble. So yun yung pagkakaiba nun. Okay? So practice and rehearsal. So every day magpa-practice kayo sa bahay, kahit 1 oras lang, tutukan nyo mabuti yung mga mahihirap na passages. Unti-unti, mabagal muna, hindi mabilis na mabilis. Walang taong perfecto na nakatugtog agad ng ayos o umpisa. Lagi lahat tayo galing doon. Galing din ako niya sa upuan ng bata. Dito ako nag-umpisa sa awit, taga rito ako ganyan din. Noong araw, hindi ako tumatama sa classical, sa marcha, hirap-hirap ako sa march. So lahat tayo nag-klase gano'n. Kaya if you make a mistake, nahihirapan ka, that's the time when you practice. Walang imposible. Para din sa school, aral tayo, ganun yan. So, tiyagaan lang. Ang music lang talagang tiyagaan. And the result is we have fun. Okay? Tapos, I'm also very happy na ang ating timbre ay paghado lang. Walang nag-overplay, walang dynamics, kaya importante yun. Hindi kailangan mag-overplay. Importante yung ensemble playing. Okay? At saka, isang nakakatuwa is sama-sama tayo rito, musikong kawit. Musikong kawit tayo. Meron tayo kanya-kanyang banda natin, pero sama-sama tayo dito sa workshop na ito to represent our town, kawit. Kasi pag lumabas ka ng kawit, yung iba hindi ka naman identify kung ano yung banda mo eh. Ang tawag lang sa atin ay musikong kawit yan eh. Pag magaling tayo, sama-sama tayo sa purir. Magaling ka niya, musikong kawit yan eh. Pag masama, kahit isang banda lang yung masama, damay tayo lahat din. Ako, sama ng tugtog, musikong kawit, di ba? Kaya pag alagaan natin mabuti yung ating yung ating character, yung ating reputasyon as musiko ng taga-kawit. Kasi maganda ang ating upbringing as musicians here sa kawit. Maganda yung ating upbringing, mga tunog natin, mga clarinets, lahat magaganda yung tunog, gano'n. Okay? Tapos pag lumabas kayo ng kawit, ang tawag siya ang musikong kawit. Pag lumabas kayo ng Pilipinas, hindi na kayo musikong kawit, musikong Pinoy na lang kayo. So lalo na yung scope, Filipino musician, ganun din. Pag magaling ka sa ibang bansa, pupurihin ka, Filipino musicians are really good. Pag masama, ganun din. Ang sama naman ng musikong Pinoy. Kaya habang lumalayo ka, ang hinahambang mo, nag-iiba rin yung scope ang tingin ng tao sa inyo. Pero ang bottom line, babalik at babalik ka rito katulad na ginagawa ko because dito ako nagmula, tayo ay musikong kawit. Di ba? Pagdating nyo ng araw, yung sa inyo mag-aaral para sa konservatorio, hopefully, magiging teachers, educators, lawyers, doctors, anumang profesyon, maaaring gamitin nyo ang pagkamusiko nyo, makapag-aaral kayo ng college ng scholar. So that's one of the purpose na sa ating, nung college ako, abono pa yung kolehiyo kasi tumutugtog ako sa ROTC band. Tumutugtog pa ako sa Symphony Orchestra ng university. Kaya abono pa sila ng stipend sa akin. So yun ang isang malaking benefit for being a musician. And we also get to travel. We also get to meet, dignitaries, officials from different countries, government officials and all that kind of stuff. So kaya, ingatan niyo mabuti, pagbutihin niyo ang pagiging musiko. At saka iba yung analytic natin mindset natin. Kasi sanay tayong focus na serious yung ating ginagawa. Kaya kahit anong trabaho gawin natin, kahit sa eskwela, nag-excel tayo sa ibang subjects and all that because of that. Okay? And another is discipline. Okay? Marami sa atin, sa mga ibang banda natin dito, nakikita niyo na yung discipline. pag sinabi sa inyo na ang tugtog natin ay alas 2, ang meeting time is 1 o'clock, kami sa Symphony Orchestra, meron kami tinatawag na downbeat. Pag sinabing ang downbeat is 2 o'clock, ang musicians dumarating 1 o'clock, nagsisimula ng dumating. Because yung ibang musicians, they need 15 minutes to warm up, they need, may mga malaking instrumento to set up. Kaya pag sinabi, ang downbeat is 2 o'clock, usually 1 hour before, nagsisimula ng dumating yung musicians. Kasalanan mortal sa ating musiko ng malate sa tugtugan. Tandaan yan. A good musician, kahit anong galing yung musiko, tapos lagi kayong huli, lagi kayong kainisan kayo ng kasama nyo. So, gawin yung disiplina yung hindi mahirap gawin. Always arrive, always come on time. Pag sinabing 1 o'clock, magbigay agad kayo ng 15 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes allowance. Be there early. Mas mabuti yung kayo naghihintay kaysa yung kayo hinihintay. Okay? Gawin yung practice yun. Gawin yung practice yun. Kasi lalo dito, minsan na-traffic. You have to give a little additional time para siguradong dumating kayo na nasa oras. Okay? Meron bang may question? Any question? Bago tayo mag-start ulit?
Additional lang po, ano?
Sir,
Dagdag
paano
lang,
lang po?
dagdag.
Yung kanino?
Ano yun?
Kanino?
Cellphone. Kanino to cellphone?
Ganyan.
Ikaw yung restaurant?
Hindi.
Kanino? Ayun.
May additional lang po.
Okay. Any questions? Tanong kayo ng question kasi para matuto tayo. Kahit anong question, meron? Meron kayong tanong sa akin? Okay. Kung hindi niyo ako kilala, I play the flute. I'm a flutist. Ang major ko ng college, flute and conducting. And then also, before ako mag-flute, nung nagsimula ako sa banda, I was a clarinet player. Yung clarinet ko, hindi ganyan kaganda katulad ng clarinet. Yung clarinet ko, puro rubber band. Then may mga bali-baling spring. Ito yun. And then, saxophone, nung high school ako, nag-switch ako sa saxophone. And then, nag-conservatory na, flute major. And then, I played with the Symphony Orchestra for 12 years bago ako nag-migrate sa States. So, yun. Okay? So, sana meron kayong may excitement at meron kayong matututunan dito hanggang mamayang hapon na i-share nyo sa kanya-kanyang banda nyo kung ano yung maganda. Ganito po, ganun po, ano yung natutunan nyo. Share nyo. Hopefully, next time na babalik ako dito, makapagawa ulit tayo ng ganito. Di ba? Para tuloy-tuloy yung edukasyon. This is all about learning. I also learn from you. Natututo rin ako sa inyo because hindi ako kadalasan humahawak ng banda lalo mga batang ganito. So hopefully you learn ako, may natututunan din ako how to put together ensemble like this. Kasi sa akin pagbagsak ng bato, usually, andun na yun, yari na yun eh. Wala masyadong trabaho. Pero ito, natututo rin akong i-analyze ko rin yung mga sections kung ano yung dapat linisin, yung mga dapat bigyan ng attention. Kaya the learning process is both ways. Ganun lagi. And that's what one beautiful thing with music. Every day is a learning process. Kaya maganda. Kada piyesa iba, kada tutugin mo iba, there's always something to learn. Okay? So, kung may question, kung wala na question, tutuloy tayo sa last segment ng this morning session and then magla-lunch tayo. And I would like to thank your Sir Jay and Sir AJ for taking care of the sectional rehearsals. Thank you guys.
Additional, Bobby. Additional lang.
Thank you. So,
Alam mo, nabili namin ng timbre ng ating awit band. Noong araw, pag sinabing Rizal, taon na tayo. Tulad ng Daytay, Malabon, yan lang ang mga kilala seleksyon. Pero ngayon, nadidinig ko yung timbre natin. Iba, maintain natin ang timbre na yan. At very competitive na tayo sa tropa. 4, yan pag nadinig nyo ng araw. Taytay, pag nadinig nyo ng araw, tiklop tayo. Pero ngayon, sa nadidinig ko, saka isa pang reminder lang, don't be hesitant na i-approach nyo si Professor Bobby Schroeder. Meron siyang tutor natin, produkto rin na magdalo to. Baka hindi nyo nakikilala si Enrique Barcelo. Connected pa sila sa UST, kung sino gusto mag-aral sa UST, UP, at siguro naman tayo. Maraming salamat. Gamitin nyo ang inyong profesyon at sa musician sapagkat yun ay nagagamit natin sa eskwela. Malaking bagay yan, lalo na pag malaking universidad. 100%. Minsan yung mga maliliit na colleges, may mga 30. Oh yes. Ang mabigat lang doon, pagka member ka ng banda isang college, napapasabay sa exam. Bibigyan ko at kukuha ka ng special. Yun lang ang only. Kaya nagamit ko ng 2 taon at 2 taon hindi na kasi nakakaroon ng conflict sa hirap ng special exam. Yun ang benefit natin. Nakakasama ko kapila sa UE, University of the East, si George King. Si scholar eh. So yun lang. Sana maisip yun. Huwag niyong ikano ang pagka-musician. Talagang yun ay magandang profession. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Kuya sir. This one example na nakatapos ng college, scholar, first 2 years ginamit niya yung pagkamusiko. He was a baritone euphonium player. Okay? So, let's take, relax our body. Let's take a deep breath. Breathe from your nose. Hold your diaphragm. Now, together, and then exhale. Breathe. Exhale. Relax. Breathe. Exhale. And breathe. Exhale. Okay. Now, playing position, everybody. Playing position. I want to see your playing position. Okay. Clarinets. Playing position. Subo. Ang clarinets, may effects sa ganyan. Ang clarinets, dapat nakaganyan na instrumento. Okay? Kung yung ipapatong sa tuhod nyo, may impact sa sound. Kailangan yung bell open, nakaganyan. Okay? Pag tumutugtog kayo, flutes, standard position of flutes, alam na natin yun. Saxes, the same. Trumpets, I want to see your playing position. Straight high, straight, yes, ganyan, diretso. Huwag yung nakatungo. Straight high, straight body, okay? Yan, ganyan, para mabigas kasi may impact yun sa tunog. Okay, trombones, playing position trombones. Higher, straight. Trombones, higher, straight. Ganyan, straight. Yes, ganyan. Make it a habit na yung playing position nyo laging gano'n. Kasi importante may impact yan sa tunog. Yung air nyo, yung circulation ng air, kailangan open to. We are all wind instruments. Kailangan open. Pati yung leg nyo, hindi pwedeng nakaipit na ganun yung leg because machuchok yung air. Kaya kailangan open lagi itong lugar na ito para yung air from the diaphragm open. May impact yun sa tunog. Okay? Alright? Okay, let's try our Thunderer March again from the beginning. Okay? Last, think about the character, think about your attacks and all that kind of stuff. Okay? You learned it already. Okay, from the top. Let's try that. No, we're warmed up already. We'll just try that piece. It's a fun piece. Ano pa lang kasi, meron kayong Disney on Parade, di ba? At saka Washington Post. Okay, warm up. Let's try the warm up. Let me get my score, if I can find it. There. The ultimate warm-up, the title. The ultimate warm-up, okay? Okay, let's try it. Let's try it for fun. And then we'll continue learning it later. Okay, ready? Percussion first, ready. This is in 4, okay? In 4. Ready? Percussion, snare. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So wait, see the accent? Snare? See the accent? Pop, 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 pop. Play the accent, okay?
Hello? Yeah, it's better. Hello? Pakihinaan ng konti yung volume. Pakihinaan ng konti yung volume, please. Okay. Alright. So the purpose of this warm-up essential is para ma-warm up tayo. Lalo na baka mahirap lang. Teka. Baka doon lahat. Teka, wait.
Yeah, okay. So the purpose of this is a good warm-up for band. Usually bago patuto, habang na-formation sa parade, you can play this. And then, nalilito ng piyesa nito, pwede nyo gamitin yung meron kayong mga clip yung sa puti kung nilalagay sa clarinet. It's okay to bring music during parade para yung tinutugtog nyo yung tamang arreglo, hindi yung nakakabisa lahat kung may hindi na natutugtog. Okay, so let's try it. Let's try it. Ready? 1, So now, what we're going to do is, let's increase our awareness sa dynamics. Makita nyo isa, medyo piano, medyo forte, let's follow that, okay? Punta natin yung dynamics para yung mahina, may malakas, forte, malakas, may letter F, forte, malakas, okay? Pagdating ng piano, mahina, okay? Let's try that. You're the next letter, please.
Okay, Ready? Let's try it again from the very beginning. I'm doing faces. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Okay. From the top. Ready? Very good. Okay. That's very important. Okay. Ready? One more time. Beginning. Focus on the dynamics. Okay. Start mismo. And listen to your intonation. Another purpose of this, kailangan ang pinado tayo. That's part of the training. Focus on the intonation. Okay? From the beginning. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Read your dynamics. Up, there's accent. Up. Keep doing that, okay? Huh? Yeah, pretty much. Consistent tayo, okay? Consistent tayo sa accent. Yung third message, wala. Ang gawin ko sa suspension, balik na lang. Up, diba? Okay. Consistent tayo. Okay, come on. Beginning, okay? Magandang tulog. Okay? At saka yung magandang information. Okay? Ready? Okay. From the beginning again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1. Going back again to basics, we do simple things today because simple things can have a lot of things to learn. That will increase your awareness. So pag tumutog kayo mahirap na siya, okay, one more time, last time. Hindi pa muna yung mga notes. Support na nyo. Wala nang tulog sa second beat. Okay? Ready? One more time. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and
si Raven, ang gusto niya, natutunan niya yung iba-ibang parts ng march, yung iba-ibang sections ng march. Very good. So, tandaan niyo yun. Yun talaga kaya I specially selected na marches yung aralin natin for this session kasi para ma-realize natin, malaman natin yung iba-ibang parts ng march. Kasi, ano yung tinutupog natin madalas sa march? Di ba? May parada, may pasayo, di ba? Para nakakapili tuloy tayong magandang march. There's a lot of hundreds of beautiful marches out there. And isang magagandang marches as yung ginawa ni John Felix Musa tulad ng yung pinaaral natin. Okay? Alright, so let's start the afternoon section. Meron ba kayo ng yung Washington Post? Meron din kayo ng Disney on Parade? Meron kayo nun? Wala? Washington Post lang? Meron kayong Disney? Yan. Nasaan yung isa? Wala? Hindi pala na-print. Detalin. Okay. Pero meron kayong warm-up. Okay. Alright, so yung Washington Post, i-ready nyo. Pero bago tayo magsimula doon, gawin uli natin yung warm-up at ituturo kasi lahat. Itong warm-up na to, yung ultimate warm-up, bibigyan kayo ng kopya. May kopya ko. You can share it with your own bands. Para magamit nyo pag nag-warm up kayo, bago mag-parade, para maganda yung bago kayo mag-parade, nagkaganon muna kayo, check yung intonation and all that, okay? Tapos may iba-ibang technique na pwedeng gawin yan, pwede yung bilisan yung tempo para dising marcha, habang nag-marcha kayo, pinutugtog nyo yung warm up, okay? So bago tayo mag-Washington Post, try ulit natin yung ultimate warm up, okay? So tune muna tayo. Okay. Tune tayo. Everybody, tune up. Let's try the ultimate warm-up again, okay? Warm-up tayo ulit. Ready? Snare. Sino mag-snare for this one? Sino mag-snare? Raise your hand. Okay, Royce, ready? Accents, okay? Up, 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 up. Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, and... Second beat ko lang to low, quiet na, okay? Kung yung sustain yung quarter note lang yun, okay? Yeah. So, one more time, again, beginning. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and...
Letter D. Letter D. Okay, letter D. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and. Ulitin natin yung letter F. Letter F, woodwind, success. Pa-pa-pa-pa, pa-pa-pa-pa. Okay? Pa-pa-pa-pa, 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 pa-pa. Yung first two measures. Ready? Letter F, first two measures. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and. Okay. Yung unang first two measures. Yung second measure is pa 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 pa. Okay? Yung letter F first measure is pa 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 pa. Okay? Great. That's right. Everybody, ready? 1, 2, 3, and. Yung second measure is pa 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 pa. Second measure. That's one. The second measure of letter F. 1, 2, 3, and. Yeah. Okay. Okay. First two measures letter F. Pa 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 pa. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, good. Now the third measure is pa 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 pa. Right on the third measure. Pa 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 pa. Third measure letter F. 2, 3, and. Yeah, good. And then the fourth measure is pa 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 pa. Fourth measure. Pa 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 pa. Okay, third, fourth measure. 1, 2, 3, and. Yeah. Okay, letter F. Okay, letter F. Listen, look at your note. I will sing it first. Okay, 2, letter F. 3, and. Pa 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 pa. Pa 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 pa. Okay, ready? Letter F. 1, 2, 3, and. Very good. Okay, everybody, letter F. Letter F to the end. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and.
keep it, gamitin yan. Kasi magandang gamitin. It's a very simple and very effective na technique, lalo na pag mag-uumpisa kayo ng tuto, di ba? Kung kailangan pa ng extra copy, sabi lang sa'yo. Okay, good. Let's do Washington Post. Okay, ready? Washington Post. And then I'll point out the difference between Pandarer and this one. So, ready? Washington Post. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 1, down. Malalay. Okay, loco. Pom, pom, pa, 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 pa. Down. Okay, ready? In the intro. Ready? 1, 2, 1, and. Good, very good. Okay. Now, let's improve the character. Sa intro pa lang, kailangan with conviction na intro. Pam, pa, 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 pam, pa, pam, pa, 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 pam, pa, pam, pa, pam, pa, pam, pa, pam, pa, pam. Down! Yun ang din ng character, okay? At sa may isilang pam, pa, 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 pam, pa, pam. Let's try it a little bit faster. So, this one is, if you notice, this is a 6/8 march. A 6/8 march, obviously the time signature is different from the cut time that we did earlier. Ang 6/8 march, maganda rin ang 6/8 march kasi masarap siyang i-marcha. Ang one example ng 6/8 march is like Semper Fidelis, the US Marine Band. Masarap i-marcha yung 6/8, di ba? Now let's try this a little bit faster. Percussion a little bit faster. Ready? Intro lang muna, intro lang. Hindi sinabi intro. Ready? 1, 2, 1, M. Nakita niyo may silence na naman? May silence. Boom. Ching. Tapos may simpa. Di ba? Kari, konti pa bilis. Konti pa bilis. Okay? Ready? Okay. Intro. Ready? And then we go ahead to the first string. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 1, and. Look at your piece. Ang first string is including the percussion. Pa 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 pam param param parila. Pa 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 pam. Then balik na naman doon sa character na yun. Forte piano. Pakita natin yung dynamics, yung difference. Okay? Ready? First string. First string. Ta-ta-ta-ta-tam. Tika. 1, 2, and.
feel more comfortable now because from the first session this morning, nakita nyo yung concept. Kaya ngayon, komportable na kayo tumugtog ng march, mas madali na, di ba? Content amount na lang, di ba? Ngayon, that's why to clean this up a little bit. From the trio, I would like to hear the brasses from the trio. Brasses na, from the trio. Trumpets, trombones, horns, euphonium, and basic. Ready? One, trio. 1, 2, 1, and. Yeah, so then, don't say that, the trio. Ready? Yung kahit lang yung gusto nyo is quarter note. Pum, 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 pum. Which is importante yun. Play always like you're playing a melody. Pum, 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 pum. May direction, okay? Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 1, and. Yes, okay, good. More? Sarap, okay, improvisation, okay, mahiya. Brass wire. Parang brass wire. Okay? Pakinggan niyo what's going on. Because yan yung support. Yan yung support sa nangyayari dito sa harap. Kaya kailangan maganda yung support. Okay? Good condition. Ready? Sige, mahina. Sige na. Pag ka masyadong punta nila sila yung awating ko. Pero yung decidido. Okay? Okay, magkala na. Ready? Take place. 3 yung brasses. Ready? 1, 2, 1, and. Effective, okay? Masyadong may pagkaligato. Ng konti, okay? Pag sobra, babawasan natin. Pero ang gagawin yung attack, ready? Same thing with bass. Same thing with basses. More attack. Okay, ready? Trio, brass section. 1, 2, 1, and. Yeah. Basis may maling nota rin sa basis only, the trio, basis only. Ready? The trio, basis. 1, 2, 1, and. Okay, improve natin. Melody yun eh. Hindi bass na yun. Ganda ng melody, di ba? Hindi lang basta bago yun. Sige, sige natin ang melody. 1, 2, 1, and. Okay, good. Medyo humina yung energy towards it. Same energy. Same energy. Kasi importante yan, yun yung baseline. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 1, and. Sinasyon. Medyo matigas ang konti. Okay? Right. Ready? Okay, same place. Very good. Ayan yung tamas na yan. Ayan yung pag-attack. Okay? Okay, yeah. Ready? Trio. 1, 2, 1, and. Trombone, trio, right. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 1, and. basic. Ready? Come on. Think like 1, 2, 1, and. That's that. Yes. Parodico. Mabilis. Parodico. Parodico. Okay? Don't delay that. Very good. Yung difference. One more time. Did that? So we have parodico. Kailangan yung with conviction. Ready? Think like, okay. 1, 2, 1, and. Yes, diba? Dito mo nakikita yung importansya na hindi ko first yung importante. Second and third are very important sa arreglo. Kaya importante lahat. Maganda, very good. Now, bases and trombone. Right. Go to that forward. Let's start next to Nico. Ready? Trio. 1, 2, attack. And. Nice, nice. All brasses. Trio. All brasses. Ready? Horn. Oh, okay. Ready? 1, 2, 1, now. Trumpet kayo din. Tarari-ram, tirari-bam-bam-bam-bam. Tarari-bam-bam-bam-bam. Singing, sing. That's it. Tarararam, tarararam, tarararam. Bam-bam-bam-bam. Okay? Kasi yan. Tapos yung melody. Everybody is very important sa lahat ng arreglo. Walang more or less. Okay, third and second or first is very important. Tandaan niyo. Okay, trumpet. Don't be shy. Trio, ready? 1, 2, 1, now. Okay, masyadong, nakakain lang natin dapat. Tara, dito. Go. Tara, dito. Masyadong alam yan. Pag yan, 1, 2, tara, dito. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 1, and. That's better. That's better. We can still improve that. Okay? One more time. Ta-da! Very good. Ready? 1, 2, 1, and. Yeah. Do you do that? Ta-da-da-da. Speak the melody in. Ta-da-da-da. Okay? One more time, one last time. We can go with the best support. Okay? Yung energy, yung bibitawan yung energy. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Better. Good. Okay. So now, all brasses in percussion, trio. All brasses in percussion, horn, 3 times. All brasses in percussion, trio. Ready? Okay. Ready? Tempo. 1, 2, 1, and. Let's do the repeat. Simba, Simba, do you have your part? Do you have your part, Simba? Simba, Simba. Do you have your part? Meron kang part na binabasa? Okay, make sure you do the solos, okay? Nagbigay na solos ng Simbas, okay? Okay, good. The rest of the group, trio. The rest of the group, let's do the trio. Let's do trio. Ready? Trio. Okay, ready? Taxes, including taxes, trio. Ready? 1, 2, 1, and. So now let's move backwards. Let's do the intro again. Let's start from there. Now relax ang intro. Pam, pa, pam, pa, pam, pa, pam, pa, pa. Relax lang. Ready? Okay. From the beginning. Just the intro. Just the intro, okay? Ready? Bases, ready? Bases, ready? Intro, ready? Just the intro, ready? Tempo, let's not drag the tempo, okay? Pam, pa, 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 pam. Jump, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 1, and. Now let's try to play the intro piano. Soft. Let's try to play soft. Same intensity but softer. Ready? Ready? One. Same good tempo. Ready? 1, 2, 1, and. Faster. Ready? Okay, everybody, relax, relax. Don't have too loud. Ready? Intro, just the intro, okay? Just the intro. 1, 2, 1, and. Yes, Mickey, intro. Then, ding. Yan, gano'n. Wala. Okay. The second. Okay. Ready? Okay, now we continue to the first frame from the intro. Ready? Again, intro. Ready? 1, 2, 1, and. Yes. Ha? Wala ka rin? Walang single part? Walang single part. Meron kahit na simba lang yan. Ano lang? Okay, sige. Pero okay po naman. Sino gusto mo? Sino gusto sumolo? Sino gusto magpalimit ng solo? Pag may kayo. Joseph, sino may gusto mong solo? Today's session. Anong masasabi mo sa experience ng today's session? Meron ka ba natutunan? Meron ka bang question? Ha? Meron? Ha? Gusto mo magtanungin? Ha? Wala kang question?
Wala rin question si Anit. The other young lady, come in, halika, halika, yes. Halika, halika. Halika. Ba't ang mahihain kayo? Halika. Halika. Hindi, halika. May tatanong ako sa'yo.
Okay na, Liam. Thank you.
What's your name?
Ha? What's your name? Anong name? Halika. Anong pangalan? Anong pangalan mo? Ha? Anong pangalan mo? Huwag kang kabahan. Dahil kinakabahan din ako sa'yo. Anong name mo? Anong name mo? What's your name?
Ano pangalan niya?
Annalyn.
Angeli Artisa. So, saan banda ka sumasama? So, ilang taon ka nang tumutugtog ng trombone? Magti 3 years na. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Yung session ngayon, na-enjoy mo? Very good. Thank you. Yun lang. How about the young ladies behind? Come here. Halika. Halika, ate. Ate, halika. Yeah, what's your name? Bea. Huwag mo naman yung mic, napapagod ako. Bea, so how long have you been playing the flute?
Ano po, magpo 4 years.
Saan banda ka sumasama?
St. Mary
St.
po.
Mary. So na-enjoy mo ba yung session ngayon?
Sobra po.
Kung meron kang tatanong sa akin, ano yung tatanong mo?
Ano po yung magiging parang payo niyo po sa mga young na musician po? Ano po yung magiging parang payo niyo po sa amin kung para po mas maging mas ma-level up pa po namin yung pagiging musician namin.
Okay, good. That's a very good question. Thank you. So, yun ang gusto ko may question para meron tayong napapag-usapan because she wants some benefit, di ba? So, makinig kayong lahat. So, mapapayo ko, listen everyone, mapapayo ko sa inyo, music is all about practice. And not only that, importante, pag nagpa-practice tayo, tama ang pagpa-practice natin. Pero hindi na siya nakikinig o ayaw na makinig. Importante tama yung pagpa-practice. So you practice every day. Huwag niyong isa-set aside, don't take it for granted yung manyana system. Mamaya na, pagod na. Mamaya yung gabi na, pagod na, hindi na kayo magpa-practice. So make it a habit na playing music is like brushing your teeth. We brush your teeth every day. It's like eating a meal. Kumakain tayo every day. Diba? If you pray every day, it's like praying. So that's the very closest. Kaya kanina sinasabi ko, diba? When you play music, it's like cooking food. It's like preparing food. Gusto natin masarap na pagkain. Gusto natin inanamnam natin yung pagkain. And the way to do that is to learn how to cook. And that's what's cooking. Yung ating pagpapractice na individually sa bahay. Now, if you have questions, seek out to teachers. Seek out to senior members of your band. Seek out to, sa YouTube, maraming materials. You can check my YouTube channel. I posted some pop songs there. So, anything na makakatulong sa learning process ninyo. Everyday, tandaan nyo everyday, ang goal nyo is everyday dapat meron kayo matutunan kahit konti lang. Isipin nyo yung konti everyday. There are 365 days a year. Pag you continue everyday, malaking learning yun for period of time ng 1 year. Kaya, huwag nyo isa-set aside yun. Lagi kayo magka-practice. So yun ang key. Yun ang really key. And mag-aaral kayong mabuti. Keep up your school. Importante yung pag-aaral sa paralan. Mag-aaral kayo mabuti. Huwag nyo pababayaan ang pag-aaral. Dahil yan ang key natin para sa ating success later on sa buhay. Mag-aaral kayo mabuti. Nasagot ko ba yung sa tanong mo? Okay, good. Anyone else? Na may question? Kami, nag-smile ka sa akin, halika. Baka mamaya simangutan nyo na akong lahat. Sabi po, nag-smile, tinatawag na. Halika, what's your name? Sino ba? Ano pangalan niya? Irene? Tyrene? Cyril? CJ? Halika, CJ. CJ? Si CJ ba siya? Si CJ? CJ, halika. Ha? Halika, magtanong ka. Halika. Halika, dali, nasasayang ang time. Para, this is serious, this is for everybody to learn, di ba? Halika. Halika, anong gusto mong matutunan? Anong gusto mo itanong? Halika. So, sino susunod? Mag-ready na ng question. So, anong question mo, CJ? Ano? 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 Wala kang question? Baka maiyak ka. That's okay. Sino pa isa? What's her name? What's her name? Nadia? Sino pa gusto? Walang gusto magtanong? Walang gusto magtanong sa inyo? Ha? Come on. I'm sure, pag tatanong ka, ano gusto nyo tanong? This is the time. Ask me a question para marami tayong matutunan. What's in the back of your head? Huwag kayo mahihiya. Oh, yun. What's your name? Si Janina. Ang Janina, ang tanong niya, ilang years na raw ako sa pagbabanda. Ilan taon ang parents mo? Anong age sa parents mo? At nanay mo, ilan taon na? 31? Hindi pa tao nanay mo, nagbabanda na ako. So I started very young, mga 7 years old. Yeah, when I was 7 years old, that's how I started. Tapos, clarinet na instrumento ko nun. Kinakwento ko niya, clarinet ko, puro rubber band. Kasi may mga sirang springs. During that time, hindi available ang repair. Very expensive, dadali mo sa Maynila. Very expensive yung repair. Kaya gagawa mo ng paraan may rubber band. Tapos yung high school ako, nauso yung mga dance band. So I pick up the saxophone. Nag-start ako mag-saxophone. Yung lolo ko, saxophone player yun. Hindi ko pinapakita sa kanya pag wala siya sa bahay, doon ko hinihipan yung saxophone niya. Pag nasa bahay siya, hindi ko hinihipan. Minsan, one time nahuli ako, kalau pagagalitan ako, pero natuwa. So then I started playing saxophone. And then when I decided to pick up music in college, doon ako nag-switch sa flute. Kasi yun ang nearest instrument from woodwind. So yun, matagal na ako ba? Over 50 years na ako nag-musician. Yeah. Yeah. Okay? So, solo. Sino gusto mong solo? Volunteer. We'll give instructions for everybody to learn. Come on, Joseph. Halika. Alam ko magaling ka. Halika. 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 Session. I hope bawat isa sa atin ay na-inspire at may natutunan. Yes? Yes, okay. So I would just like to acknowledge the majorettes and staff of Magdalo for taking care of our food and our refreshment. Thank you guys. Thank you staff and majorettes ng Magdalo. Thank you. Yeah. And to Mr. and Mrs. AJ Basa for helping out with the kids. Thank you so much, guys. And Jay, thank you so much. And most of all, to you all participants, maraming salamat sa inyo at dumalo kayo. Yeah. Sana'y magkaroon tayo ng mas maraming session na ganito, at least every year or twice a year, para naman magkasama-sama. Tandaan nyo, we are musicians of Kawit, we're one, okay? Kahit meron tayo iba-ibang banda, musiko pa rin tayo ng Kawit, sama-sama tayo. At isa-isang taon o dalawa, pagsasama-sama tayo ganito, sama-sama. Okay? Thank you. So ano pa ang gusto niyong gawin?
Sample, sir. Sample daw, sir.
Ano gusto niyong gawin?
Sample.
Anong sample?
Solo raw, sir.
Ha?
Solo.
At solo? Sino?
Mayroon pa pa, sir.
Ames?
Yes, sir.
O, tignan natin kung paano. Hanap ako ng tracks, ha? Ano gusto? Pop o PM, ganon? Pop music? Pop music? Ah, sige. So this one, I haven't. This was written sa Sila Sarcon and made popular by Gary Valenciano. Hope you like it. The title is How Did You Know?
Yes! Did you know? Galing.
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Nagustuhan niyo ba?
Oo, sir.
Thank you. Gusto niyo isa pa? Sige, hanap tayo. Oh, this one is popular. You like it. Here. Okay, let's wrap it up. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And thank you for the opportunity to be able to play in front of you all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so kasi meron daw videos activity later tonight, so we let's wrap it up a little bit early. So we'll play our two marches. Anybody? Hello.
Sam, okay. On behalf of Calvin Youth Symphonic Band, Maestro Bob, maraming salamat po. We are so blessed and inspired by you, Maestro. We are also, would like to let you know, Maestro, that we are, actually, we want to be like you someday.
Hello, sino pa gusto mag... Kenneth? Kenneth of St. Patrick. Hello. And then, sino si Matthew? Si Matthew from St. Mary.
Matthew.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Mula po sa Paris Band, salamat po kami sa pagpupunta ng mga tama. Salamat po sa inyo. Salamat po.
Malaking tulong po ito sa mga kabataan natin. Sana sa
Thank you, Matthew. Thank you so much. Thank you. And,
Bernie. Si Bernie. Vales. Bernie Vales.
Bernie.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga gathering. Para sa ating lahat ito, buong Kawit. Pagsibayan pa natin para sa mga bata, sa bagong sikero, mga bagong isibol, bagong generasyon. Maraming salamat po.
Aldrin.
Thank you nga pala sa dumating sana may natutunan tayo kay Sir Bob. Hindi lang ito yung una, tsaka may mga susunod pa, may nakaplano pang mga workshop balang sa mga susunod na pa. Hindi lang ito yung kay Sir Bob. Baka next year meron din tayo. Awa ninyo. Tapos wala ko uwi, magpapapinto yung verbal daw. Sir Bob.
Yes. Thank you, Aldrin. Yeah. And again, I would like to thank Magdala Band for hosting. The majorettes and staff of Magdala Band, maraming salamat. Okay. So, muna tapos yung Washington Post. Come on.
Pamor.
Punta ka rin doon, sir.
Malising ko. All time.
Para kumpleto daw, umpisa natin doon sa warm-up, Thunderer, tapos Washington Post. Doon mo tayo sa warm-up. Okay?
Good.